Get murk, I'm talking bitch shit.
John, when you said I saw your story today, you said something about like, we looked at the car, but did you say now I'm looking at a completely different car?
I didn't. It's fun that way.
I know.
I got a message from Dennis after that. He comments on it. He goes, what color is it? And I go, black. He thinks it's a 135 still. Haha, gotcha, bud. I know this is the worst part of a car reveal video. It's the part leading up to seeing the car. I'm just gonna get to it like ASAP, but I wanna tell you guys like 2 things very quick. 1, yesterday, I drove 4 hours with Frankie all the way to Iowa to look at a blue 135i. I really wanted it. I thought it was gonna be exciting. Car had way too much rust underneath. It was just so sketchy for the price. I wanted like $18,500 for it, and it was just like all rusty underneath. I looked at the technician who did the PPI, and I said, is this an $18,000 car? And he goes, dude, this isn't even a $16,000 car. And I was like, all right, well, peace. So we drove all the way home, and I started looking for the car that we're gonna go see today, which I'm very excited about. And the last thing that I have to say before I show you guys the new car, I'll be getting my fall merch samples in like this week. I'm really, really excited about them. As soon as I get them in, you'll be seeing pictures on Instagram of them. So please follow my Instagram so you guys can stay up to date on the fall merch. It's actually super cool. I paid a professional graphic designer to do the graphic on the back this year. So I'm so excited to show those to you guys. All right, let's see the car. This is not the new car. This is Frankie's car, who you were supposed to meet yesterday when we went to go look at the 135, but this is Frankie. Say hi, Frankie.
Hi.
We're taking his IS300 out to go look at the S2000. Oh, I'm not supposed to tell him. We're taking the IS300 out to go look at this car. You guys are gonna see it, like I promise you'll see it now. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you the car right now. I just picked it up and I'm super excited, but you're never, ever gonna believe what happened. This is so ridiculous. So here's the car. Yeah, baby, we got an S2000 on the channel. But get this, we're driving on the highway. We pulled over to get gas, and you know, I noticed the car was pulling right a little bit on the highway. We get gas, and then I pull over and I pull into this parking spot where the car is right now, and both of my passenger side tires go flat. And I just had them put on, like before we left from buying the car. I bought the car, went straight to the tire shop, had 4 winter tires put on, and both passenger sides go flat on the highway. Well, in this parking lot.
John, you're up. This is where you're stepping up?
Yes, sir. This is a sad S2000 right now. Nissan S14 wheels in the back, donut in the front, and that one S2000 wheel in the front. Apparently the valve stems were bad with this one. So while we're here and the car's on the lift, I figured I'd give you guys a look at the underbody. Check it out. It's rust free. Like there's the tiniest bit of surface rust right there on the subframe. Tiniest bit right there. Obviously control arms, they always are. You know, a little bit around the bushings. Exhaust is basically rust free. It's just, that's mint, boys. It's mint. There we go. Really quick before I give you guys an exterior walk around of the car and show you guys everything I possibly can about it, I wanted to show you guys the new merch. Here it is. Driveways and jack stands. That's me, drivewaysandjackstands.com. And you know Boosted John loves his beans. So on the back, we got Boosted John's beans, baby. I absolutely love the way the new merch looks. I paid a professional to do the design, and he absolutely crushed it. I'm gonna be wearing this merch in the videos. I'm gonna be posting on Instagram all about it. This merch drop will be going live. It'll be pre-order, so you'll be able to pre-order it on Friday, November 6th. That's when the website will go live with this merch on it. And then hopefully I'll leave the pre-order open for about a week, maybe 2 weeks. And after that I'll close it and I'll place all the orders and I'll get them shipped out to you guys as soon as humanly possible. I hope you guys absolutely crush the merch sale, because if you do, I'm gonna do more merch very soon. With that said, let me show you guys the car. So here she is, boys. This is a 2002 AP1 Honda S2000. We're up to 9,000 RPM. It's really, really clean. Right now it's kind of dirty. I had it washed last night, but I didn't know it was gonna snow again today. So it's kind of dirty now. This car is completely stock. I have new ones of these on the way because the clip broke on this one. I have a new soft top on the way because it's got a few rips. Let me show you guys under the hood. This engine bay is stock. This is a stock unmodified S2000. I can't tell if it has a header or not. This could just be the stock header missing the heat shield. I'm not 100% sure, but I'll know once I get under the car. Dude, it even has a Honda oil filter. Look at that, absolutely mint. Man, I'm just so happy with this car. So this is the new car on the channel. I'm gonna do more videos, getting a little bit more in depth on this. The exhaust install video is coming very soon. I've got a really cool exhaust going for this car. I've always wanted an exhaust like this. So you guys will be seeing that in the video after this one, hopefully. But I hope you guys are as excited as I am because I had fire in my heart when I went to go buy this car. I was so excited. So anyway, with all that said, thank you for your patience. Let's go for a ride in the car. Let's talk about it more. Here's what happened. I told you guys that I went to go look at that 135, didn't buy it. After I chose not to buy that car, I kind of realized like, I like those cars a lot and I'll probably own one someday, but I just don't want one right now. It was weird. I felt like I was kind of doing it more so for the channel and less for me. And whatever I'm doing on this channel needs to be what I'm very passionate about, because that way I deliver passionate quality content to you guys. So we were sitting at a Subway, not like a train station, but like a sandwich shop, eating sandwiches, Frankie and I. And he just looks at me and goes, how about an S2000? And I looked at him and I was like, dude, why didn't I think of that? Like, I've wanted an S2000 since I was probably a freshman in high school. I remember like pulling these up on Craigslist and showing my parents, like begging them to get one, not for me, for themselves, just so that I could like see it and like be around it. Like I just always have wanted one of these. I think they're so cool. I think every car guy thinks S2000s are cool, so I'm so happy. It's a Honda, which I'm already familiar with. It's rear-wheel drive, which is something that I really wanted to move up to, and it has an LSD. It's got it all, boys. It's got it all. Anyway, let's talk about the title. Yeah, it's a pretty intense title, in my opinion, and I really mean it. I don't mean it in like a way of like, oh, I got my dream car, so my life has changed. No, I mean like, I got a car that I seriously believe is going to make me go full-time on YouTube. My goal is to make fire S2000 content. Who else is doing it out there? Dustin Williams. That's about it. There's a couple other guys who have S2000s, but like they either don't upload consistently or I just don't like their content. I'm gonna deliver to you guys fire content on this car. My goal is to be uploading twice a week. I'm gonna bump it up from once a week to twice a week. With that said, I'm gonna give you guys a quick poll, and then after this poll, you're gonna see some behind the scenes content from this past weekend. We had an Airbnb up in Door County, Wisconsin. It was Caleb, Pasha, Caleb's girlfriend Audrey, Pasha's girlfriend Sophie, my girlfriend Kearney, and myself. It was all 6 of us up in an Airbnb this past weekend. We were just hanging out, drinking, playing games, having fun. So that'll be fun. I just left all that in at the end of this just so you guys could see. I just thought it was fun. We just filmed randomly when we were drinking. So enjoy that. But here we go, boys. Here goes third gear. Third gear. VTEC. Woo! Dude, 9,000 RPM is so crazy. It's so crazy. All right, and with that poll, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please click that thumbs up. Also, if you like this video, please click that subscribe button. As I always say, boys, when we're playing, commit, execute, and attain your goals, you know I'm going to. We're going to the top, boys. Let's do it. Enjoy these clips of us over the weekend. Bye.
Kearney.
Woo!
Interview to Kearney. So.
No. Can I do it? Can we just talk?
Can we talk? All right.
Yeah.
What are we talking about?
Tell me, what are we talking about?
We're talking about how awesome this Airbnb is.
Oh, it's awesome.
It's really good.
It's really good.
What do you think about the S2000?
I like it.
You like it?
I like it.
Why?
She doesn't know what to say! I think S2000 is a super sick car because like every car guy ever wanted one, and finally John got one. Super clean, super stock, like super unmolested, and it's like amazing project car
And
for
it's,
sure.
it's
Clean.
different than what John wanted. John wanted like a
Very different
daily, something comfortable. He got essentially a race car in stock form.
Yeah, definitely.
It's very cool. I don't think it's that
The crazy part about S2000, I think, is John planning to daily it in the winter. To me, it is like, it's a rear-wheel drive car. He's planning to lower it a bit. And, I mean, the salt in Illinois is just the worst thing for any car. However, he said, yeah, Caleb?
He'll undercoat it, which will make it fine. The thing that makes me like whoa is that he went from wanting wanting a. Sorry, what were we
E36.
So you can use it. Wait.
Or one.
He went from wanting a 1 Series BMW, which is like this luxurious, still small but luxurious. You know, it's got leather seats, got heated steering wheel, all this. You know,
good stuff.
Lame.
Lame?
It's lame. Yeah.
It's lame.
You don't need that stuff. Trust me.
It's good for the
Here's
daily.
the thing. It actually, the cold weather package on the 1 Series does not have heated steering wheel. It had heated seats.
Better than
So
what you
when I found out that it didn't have a heated steering wheel, all bets were off. All bets were off.
talk to me about Russ, bro.
Rust is bad. Don't buy cars with rust because you're wasting your time. I learned that lesson like 10 times, but I still can't learn that lesson. So,
Dude, that's how I am too. I got a free car and it was so rusty. I'm like, no.
Every time you get a rusty car, you're like, I'm never getting a rusty car ever.
You get a
again.
rusty car.
Yeah. Oh, shout out to Sam Waller. Shout out to Josh Knoll. Shout out to the big dogs. Oh, yeah. Oh, all right. We're done here. We're done here. Pack this shit up, camera boy.
Wow. Okay. I see what. I don't know. I'm just super happy for John for getting the S2000, and I just want to see what happens with it. And you guys should definitely follow him everywhere you can. Instagram. Do you have Twitter? You have to get Twitter.
I'll make Twitter.
He'll make a
Eventually.
Twitter, so you
I'll
should follow him on Twitter. And I mean, Twitter sees it first.
No, Instagram first. Instagram. Boop.
Instagram poop. All right. Great moves. Good moves.
Thank you. We're gonna do big things, boys. Big things. We're going to the top, boys. All the way. All the way to the top. I promise you. We're going all the way to the top.
Good morning, Beans.
Good morning, sir.